Hey guys, what's up? So, to start this wait, hold on. Where am I? Oh yeah, I am behind the camera. Because today, in a surprisingly amount requested video, I'm showing you guys the setup. And this is it. So, I'm gonna answer some questions about the setup, specifically these. Those are command strips that were meant to hang those. You can barely see them, I'll show you when we get over there. Those were supposed to be noise canceling foam panels. They just didn't hang correctly, so I've just left the command strips up. So, we're just going to do a quick setup tour, talk about which my devices and everything I have in my room, and just so anyone knows. If you have any questions, ask them below. I'll get to answering as many as I can. This is our streaming PC. Right now, it's only got 24 gigs of RAM because 64 gigs went elsewhere, which we'll learn about later. An R9 Fury X, it's very nice. This PC is moving soon in a project that we'll talk about here. This is our Tower 900, which has just been sitting on the floor with our Dremel, and yeah, this is the mounting plate for the motherboard. We had to modify. We had to cut this. It was one of these, and we had to cut it out so that the tubing right there could actually fit through it so it could be mounted. But this thing is humongous. More about that later. Not in this video, but we'll be making a huge video. There's like 30 bucks or something. I don't know. I don't clean up. This is a video that's coming up soon, within a week or so. I have a lot of videos planned now. I did video planning on stream recently. So right here, we've got our gaming PC that soon will be going in that case, because we'll be doing a huge case swap for everything. That's our 9800X, 64 gigs of RAM. That's where our Threadripper RAM, I can't English. All right, we got about 5 network cards there, Trident ZRGB, and basically a bunch of trash, and a power supply, and an SSD. Basically a whole PC on this desk. Now I'm going to come over here to the back. This is the, under the desk is just wires and stuff. This is the underappreciated part. The part that you see, but you just are sad that you've seen it. That's kind of our test bench PC that just has not been getting used. This kit of RAM, well, that one stick is kind of broken right now. Hence the reason Threadripper only has 24 and not 36 gigs of RAM. Or 32. 32 is the correct now, it's not 36. But basically, because that one's broken, I'm trying to fix it. So far, no luck. That's our Yeston graphics card that we should actually... Hold on. And that's how easy it is to uninstall a graphics card. Just like that. So that's our PC. It's got a Ryzen 2300X because our 2700X is currently sitting in its box. Ready to go for the subscriber at the Twitch PC, the 6,000 sub PC. I can't even English. It's kind of an impromptu video, which is as most of my videos. That's our test monitor, 180 hertz. I really should be using it for gaming, but it's so much worse. That's our Mac that just sits there because I have no room for it yet. Well, I'll probably buy another desk. That's my 1300 watt power supply connected to the test bench. We've got one of our Vega 64s still sitting in the box here. We've got our Ryzen CPUs. These are not full, most of these boxes. Some of them have stuff in them, some of them don't. The Ryzen 7 box. Actually. Oh, it's in there. It just fell back. Our Ryzen 7 box has a Ryzen 7 in it. These 2 Ryzen boxes, I'm pretty sure, are empty. Threadripper, that's not even the Threadripper box. That's just the one that says it. Gigabyte board. 1080 box. We've got our... So basically, these are the Ryzen side. This is like the Intel and Nvidia side. See, it's got that up there, and then this has an RX 580. My mug. So yeah, that's really it. And the bottom is just storage for like fans on the left. Graphics card and wires on the right. Other this looks kind of cool. You can't really see it in videos because it's behind me, so that's interesting. This is our shelf. It's both for storage and decoration. The top is decoration. And storage as well. That's where the box for our SSD and the box for our graphics card. And this is kind of pink on the top. AMD stuff on the red, kind of, I guess. We've got a Vega 64 liquid cooled, the second one of these. And our Gaming Plus motherboard box. The Gaming Plus is right there. Sorry about the shaking this camera. It's not really a great camera. There's our empty water bottles. People keep commenting on those. I keep forgetting to, I honestly just keep forgetting. Like, I'll leave them there while live streaming, and I just won't clean them up before, like, recording a video or something. So, those always just get left on the shelf. This is just random stuff. Now we got, like, 5 more of those network cards I was talking about. And then spray paint, which is much like the Dremel, is for case modding. So, next, we head to the desk. This is a sheet where I wrote down all my video ideas, which I don't know if you can read. This is the map that just stays above my desk and doesn't do anything. Empty water bottle. I drink a lot of water. Our 2 mice. This is our streaming PC mice. Mices. That's the gaming PC mouse. Headset that I wear, the HyperX Cloud 2s. Corsair K70 Speed for the gaming PC. Cooler Master SK630 for the streaming PC. Numpad for the streaming PC, which I'm soon going to replace and review the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. We've got our camera, 2 monitors only, one for the streaming, one for the gaming PC. Then we've got, of course, our beautiful microphone, Audio-Technica AT2020, the same one I use on my desk. We come over here. This is our gaming PC. You might have seen this case before. I had 2 of them. I don't have 2 anymore. I kept the one that has this giant scratches on the back. That's, it's mine. That's my pod farm that I use for the XLR microphone. And then we've got one of these babies, GTX 1080 Ti, 7700K, 16 gigs of G.Skill Ages. Pretty great. Come back over to the desk, and I don't think I missed anything. That's our other Audio-Technica. See, they're the exact same. And that's it. That's my setup quickly as possible, so I don't waste your time. And that's my sword up there. And that's it. So let's see, how far can we get back into this corner? Let's leave the room. Not too far. Okay. So this is our setup. I fell. I'm going to stop this video before I fall too bad. That's the point. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed just learning what is actually my setup. This is really all the room I have. So anything I have is in this corner. Really, that's like it. That's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Oh, wait. Hold on. There's our router on the wall.